very noisy because we've got this construction truck right over here. So I apologize for all the noise. It's Thursday, it's after work, it's hot, it's Ramadan, I'm thirsty. But the plan today was to take off all of the plastic that's on Project Ben. You can see there's plastic everywhere. The reason I'm taking everything off right now is because I want to see what are the interior parts that we're gonna need to bring her back to her glory. So I'm gonna be taking off all of these plastic pieces, and then I'm gonna be going through and looking at all the trim and making sure of what are the pieces that I want, because soon there's a trip planned to go to Sharjah, because apparently in Sharjah you find everything that you want for the LC80. So I'm planning on doing that sometime soon. I don't know if it's gonna be before Eid or after Eid, but time to get going and get this off. So I got a little bit of help. Sajid just got back from school. She's helping me remove everything from this car. Are you enjoying this?
It's very satisfying.
So up to now I've figured out that I need to get speaker housings and I need to get side door panels. Yeah. So check this out, the original seats, and they're in pristine condition from what I can see. So we're gonna take the seat covers off as well. Yummy. So the steering wheel is also covered with this plastic. I'm hoping that it's in great condition, so we're gonna get the plastic off and then see.
If this car is like all kharaban and looks like weird, will you return it?
No, I'll fix it. That's the whole point.
Oh, that was hoping for you.
I like old things. I'm an old soul.
I mean, me too. But the thing, I like cars that you can do anything with. I don't care if it's fast or slow. I just want to do anything. Off-roading, type of stuff.
So the steering wheel actually looks like it's in great condition. Yep, original steering wheel. I really want to keep this. I like this. Oh, it's way too hot. It was way too hot yesterday as well. So we stopped in the middle and I started again Friday morning. And these are the things that I have figured out up to now. So we're gonna need pretty much that for every door. I also need covers for all the doors. But overall, as you can see, it's in pretty decent condition for a car that's a 92 model. Now none of the electrics in the car at the moment are working. This window goes down from here only. I can't control it from there. That one doesn't go down whatever I try and do with it. But all of these things need to change. And then I've got a drop down screen here, which I didn't know would be on a 92 model. I think this is an aftermarket thing. That's gotta go. Sunroof works, but I'm gonna have a tent up there, so that's whether it does or doesn't make a difference. Now here at the back I've got that light switch that's missing, speaker handle that's missing, and I think this needs to be replaced as well. But overall, the car is in really good condition. I mean, even if you see the rust, there is no rust. I can't find any rust, at least on the inside. Don't know about the outside, but it looks like it's in pretty good condition. Now this carpeting is gonna go for sure. We're gonna clean the car from the inside, wash it out, and then decide whether I'm going to be going for a 5-passenger setup, or the back seats are just gonna disappear, because this car is gonna be my car for my trips. So maybe I just do a nice platform at the back for Caro, so he can have a very comfy place, and then all the way at the back I put in, you know, whatever, drawer systems or whatever we're gonna do. We haven't decided yet. Another thing is, the tailgates open up and down. I need to replace the hydraulics on the tailgates and the hydraulics for the boot in front. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun setup. For the seats, they're definitely going to be replaced. I've been doing my research. I saw that a lot of guys are putting in LR3 seats, which they say are very comfortable. I don't know if I'm going to be going for an LR3 seat or not. Might be going for something a bit different. But anyway, I also need to get headlights, need to get all the rubbers replaced, maybe even get a new front grille, because I can see that there's a piece broken off from here. And I'm gonna have to also get this replaced, which I think it broke and they just bolted it on. But yeah, there's a lot of bits and pieces in this car. It's not an easy build. I wasn't expecting it to be an easy build, but that's where we're at. So today we figured out what we need for the interior of the car, and it's extremely important that you know, you make a list of everything that you need, starting from the interior to the exterior. Gives you a good price range or a budget for you to set, and at the same time, this car is going to be going to the engine and they're going to be taking it apart, fully apart. So I don't want all the parts to be lying around and then I go and try and do an audit. So I decided that I'd rather figure out everything while it's still in one piece. It'll make my life easier. Anyway, that is the interior video for, or at least the interior update on what I'm doing with this car. If you like the content on this page, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And put in your comments, what do you think I should do with the interior? Should I actually keep the current setup of seats? The back seats, definitely I'm going to remove. The back seats, the third row. But should I do a platform for Caro at the center? Should I keep seats for 3 more people at the back? Let me know in the comments. And keep exploring.